Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today, we're diving into a straightforward guide on how to permanently close your Citibank account in 2025. Whether you're switching banks, cutting down on fees, or just simplifying your financial life, this step-by-step process will help you do it smoothly and securely. First things first, before you close any account, make sure you understand the implications. Closing an account is permanent, so double-check that you have no outstanding balances, pending transactions, or linked services like automatic payments. Start by logging into your Citibank online account using your username and password. If you don't have online access, you'll need to visit a Citibank branch or call their customer service line at 1-800-XXX4X. Remember to have your account details ready. Once you're logged in, navigate to the Account Services or Profile Settings section. Look for an option that says Close Account or something similar. Citibank might have updated their interface, so if you can't find it, use the Help Chat feature. Next, you'll likely need to verify your identity. This could involve answering security questions, providing a PIN, or even receiving a one-time code via text or email. Be prepared to confirm that you want to proceed with the closure. Citibank may ask you to explain why you're leaving, but that's optional. After verification, submit your request. Citibank will process it, which might take a few business days. Keep an eye on your email for confirmation, and make sure to cancel any debit cards or linked accounts to avoid future issues. One important tip: if you have any joint accounts or loans, closing your personal account won't affect those, but it's wise to clarify with a representative. Finally, once it's done, you'll receive official confirmation, and your account will be closed permanently. That's all for this tutorial. If you have questions or need more financial advice, drop a comment below, and don't forget to like and subscribe for more helpful videos. Thanks for watching, and see you next time.